Hello everybody, it's Mindy and welcome. If you're new here, hi, I'm Mindy. And if you've been around for a while, welcome back. I have another video for you, and this is from Coodeals. And I'm doing this video just a little different because they have definitely made some changes. If you've been around a little while, you know that I've started with Coodeals when Allie, started Coodeals, and I've seen them go through some changes. From guide circles around the symbols to the little 200 bags of drills. You see that what we have now. Let's talk about it. I left a couple in their bags because I'm going to talk about those. Let's talk about those first, and then we'll go through the rest of these. All right, let me slide everything over. So Coodeals prints your canvases. All right, they print there. They have their own factory. They're doing their own thing. That's why they purchased those drills. They would come in boxes, on the rolls, just roll them out, 200 in a baggie. And that was probably the cheapest, easiest way for them to get started, all right? First of all, I did want you to notice that they are coming bagged in these just clear bags now, instead of like the white puffy envelopes, the ones that are like this. It came in this was the outer bag, but actually, that was not the outer bag. There was another bag. This was in another bag. But now they're coming in these clear wrappings, and I just wanted you to see that. Their canvas is very canvasy feeling. It's not nylon-y or plasticky feeling. It feels more like a stretched canvas. Not quite as thick as that, but it has that same feel, okay? So I just wanted you to see all of this to start with. They all come with a toolkit. They come with drills, all right? So here's the first one, and I'm just gonna pull this plastic back real quick so you can see it. Now you know that they're printing your canvases in-house because your name's on them. This one says Mindy 1. See, Mindy 1, it's a 30 by 40. So they're printed, they have their own canvas material, they print their own, and they have moved to the pre-bagged drills like this. So they're kicking it, you guys. I told you a while back. I said, just give him some time to get rolling. And he's listening to people's, advice, their suggestions, and look what we have now. Printed with your name on it. Like I said, it's a very canvasy feeling material it's printed on. Your name will be on it. I have 1, 2, 3, there are different numbers here, okay? We have our legend over here with our picture, and they've got all the little steps down here at the bottom. You'll see that everything's gonna be different. The only thing that's missing, Allie, hey, put your name on there. Put Coodeals on there somewhere so everybody knows who it's from. Yeah, do that. So the drills are coming bagged, and you can tell this is just all pinks and reds, a couple tans and grays, but mostly pinks and reds in here. Hello, focus for us. I hate having to zoom in and zoom out, but we'll do it. Wish my camera would autofocus a little better. Anyhow, there we go. See what we got? Beautiful, beautiful. Right? Beautiful colors. Now, you will notice that these are numbered 1 through 25 on the bags. There are no DMC codes on here. There are no other identifying marks on the bag. Now, what I've been telling you is that if they write a kit number on here, they can wear off, but there's no kit number. There is nothing to identify those drills with this painting. There's no number, there's no kit number, nothing. So this is what I'm going to do with each of these. Now, this is not a deal breaker to me, not at all. It might be something I suggest that they have, something on their bag, something on their painting to, put the two together so that we don't get them confused. So I have labels, and I'm just going to label this, and I'm going to label this one Pink Gnome, right? I'm just going to make a little label here. Pink Gnome. And I'm going to put a little label right on these drills so I know this is the Pink Gnome. I might even add the word love. Love. Right? So I know that that's what goes with that. It's not a big deal. It's not a deal breaker at all. But I'll suggest, put something on your canvas, put something on your drills so that we can tell that they go together. Love it. But isn't that cute? Super cute. Each of these were about $6. I think they were $5.93. And then there's another one that was a little bit less. I'll show you that one next. So if you get special drills from Coodeals, like this one is a special drill. Now this one they have purchased from another supplier because they're not printing and gathering their own special drills. How do you know that? How do I know that? Well, because it's a different canvas. It comes completely different. It comes like this, right? Totally different. So these are purchased from a supplier and they've added those to the shop. They do have several special drill items that you can purchase there. Just know that your canvases will be printed there and these are purchased. They purchase from a supplier, just like many, many companies do, right? So many of the companies purchase their stuff from somebody else because there's, some big factories making lots of stuff and they will sell to other, like stores. We'll call them stores. But I got this one just because it is a special drill and it was cute. It just says wishing you a happy birthday. It's cute little teacups and some butterflies. I thought it was super cute. It's got 13 different selections here for your pretties. So yeah, I think they have come a long way in a short time. And they're really doing a nice job there at Coodeals. Let's see what we have for this. We have clear, gold, a couple of blues. That's a cobalt blue, orange, some pinks, a purple, an amber color, a larger clear faceted, some very, very pretty purpley marquees. And then we have these teardrops that are gold and clear. The gold side's up, the crystal side goes down. Very pretty. All right, so that's what we have for this one. All right. All right, the rest of them are unpackaged and ready to roll. Let's look at them. Are you ready? Here we go. All of them come with a toolkit. All right, this one I've been looking forward to. I saw, I don't know, I think it was Christopher maybe did this one in June for Pride, but it's some Pride gnomes and I thought they were so super cute. I've been waiting for this one to get here. It's got 28 colors, so it's got quite a few colors. Of course it does. It's the rainbow, right? It's the whole rainbow. Love it. Are there, is there glue sticky? It's super sticky, all right? Super sticky. I don't know what they're using over there, but it is super sticky. I like it. All right, look at those drills. Look at them. We got some tans, blue. Come on, again with the focusing. Let's go, come on. Orange, reddish colors, blues. Look at that light green, like a light pea green. Gray, bright yellow. Here's our greens, purple. We got some red in there too. It's hiding in there. Can you see it? It's hiding in there. But there are 28 colors in that bag. 28 of them. Look at that purple. Oh, yeah. Nice. I like them. Let's see. What's hiding in here? There's some hiding. Let's see what's hidden. I won't go through all of the drills for all of them, but let's see what's hiding. Oh, what do we have here? Oh, grays. Grays were hiding. Grays are hidden. And that purple was hidden, but that's about it. Anyhow, super pretty. There's your color palette. Love it. Matches, doesn't it? Yes, it matches. Okay. Next. Like I said, each of these I believe were $5.93. Again, this one was number 5 of my order. 30 by 40. Is it 30 by 40? I don't believe so. I believe it's still probably like the 25 by 35. We'll measure it. I haven't measured one in a while. Let's see. Let's start over here. 25, yep, 25 by 35. So there you go. But I had to get that one. I had to get the flip-flops, right? The flip-flops of all different colors. Aren't they cool? We're just on the beach hanging out with our bright flip-flops. We're going to have pretty colors for this one. Remember, again, there's no markings on the bag. So I'm going to just write flip-flops, you know, Pride gnomes on my little stickers, right? They're super nice, you guys, super clear. Look at those symbols. They're super clear. Easy to read. Confetti, lots of different Q's and 7s and Z's. Love it. Love it. And here's our colors. Look at that pretty purple. And there's a yellow and gray, pink, some yellowy orange colors, blues, greens. Love that color right there. That's super pretty. I love that one. Blue, pink, blue. What's on the other side? See, this is where they hide. They hide back here. This tan and this white, those are hiding back there. Again, 28 colors. That's a lot of colors, okay? Typically, when I get these, they might be 22, 23, 24 colors. These have all had a lot of colors, 28. This one had 28. Pride had 28. The pink one had 25. Okay, that's understandable. We got all pink there. All pink. All right, what else do we have? All right. And I may have messed it up already. I think I did because, no, that goes over there. Okay. See, I got to be careful with these because they're not marked. So make sure you mark them. All right. We have this one. This one next. I love it. I love this plaid over here. And it's just bees and sunflowers on a pretty blue sky. Bees and sunflowers, pretty blue sky. Oh, there we go. I like it. I like it. I mean, it is not one color in the sky for sure. Look, we got TF, 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 U, U. And we get into U, Q, X. It's very, you know. I mean, you can get 3, 4 maybe in a row, but lots of different colors. Love it. Love it. And here are the beautiful colors that go with that one. We have greens, some grays, lots of yellow for our sunflowers, blues, browns for the sunflowers. This pretty green, I love that. More blue, golden color. What's the black? I wonder what the black is. Let's see. 4. It's number 4. Let's see. What's number 4? I'm curious now. What makes the black gray? It's probably just going to be a gray. There's 4, and there's J, and there's 6. Let's see. Yeah, there's 4. It's green. It's actually a greenish gray. So that's part of your plaid. Okay, like that. Number 3, light gray. Okay, dark, light, got it. Okay, so grayish green colors for the plaid back there. Nice, I like it. Okay, that's that one. All right, I think we got one more, nope, 2 more. No, 1 more, just 1. And it's another gnome. How cute. 2 gnomes, technically. Look at his feet. Yeah, he's got his feet. He's got a flower. They're like, here, have a flower. They got a bird. And then they're just laying in the grass, enjoying the summer, right? Got butterflies flitting around, mushrooms in the grass. Cute. Super cute. I have a drill. Would you like a drill? 1 tan drill. Don't know where that came from. But, oh, cute. Again, with the sticky. Their sticky is like, I mean, did you hear that? It is sticky, sticky. Oh, it's got max sticky there. Love it. Love it. Yeah. And then here's our drills. Let's see. This one I'll show you a little more because it has some different colors. Let's see. We'll take 1 out. We'll just take 1 out. I'll show you everything. Why not? We'll do this one time. Look at this color. Beautiful. Beautiful. You're sticking to my canvas here. Hang on. We got a pretty coral. Got some more blue, pink, gold. Look at those colors. Love them. And I think they're using really nice drills. Look at these greens. Let's look at that's a bunch of blues. Blues and like burnt orange color. But look at this green. Look at those drills. Gotta focus though. Gotta zoom in and focus. Look at those. Don't they look nice? Look close. Yeah, do they have a little dimple in the bottom? Yes. Does it matter? No. It's all part of the processing how they pour them. Love it. Pretty. What else do we have? Got a few more. Something. A couple came out. I mean, they will tend to, you know, get up in this lip up here and try to escape on you. Not a huge deal. Just put them back in, right? There's our colors, though. I know they're way over here. I'm way here. There we go. Pretty. Pretty, 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 right? I like it. So, do I recommend Coodeals? Yes. Are they doing a great job? Yes. Do they listen to their customer? Yes. Do they have a nice product? Yes. All right? Yes, yes, and yes. Okay? So, that's what I have for you today. Check them out. I will link these below so you can go check them out yourself. And know that your canvas is getting made for you, right? I mean, it is. So, they're doing a great job. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you come back. And I hope you have a great day, everybody. Enjoy the summer weather while it's here. Stay cool, though. It's gonna be a warm one. It's getting warm around here. All right. I will talk to you all soon, and have a great day.